Samsung just pulled a surprising move. Right before the highly anticipated One UI 8 beta launch, Galaxy S24 users started receiving a fresh One UI 7 based update. The company had officially confirmed that the beta program would kick off on August 11th, today. But instead of the expected beta, users are seeing an August 2025 security patch. This update is currently rolling out in South Korea, India, and Europe, with the US rollout expected soon for both carrier-locked and unlocked variants. But this isn't just a routine security patch. It also upgrades the bootloader version compared to July's release, preventing rollbacks to older software. This change sets the stage for the major One UI 8 upgrade, making the timing no coincidence. For Galaxy S24 owners, the newer bootloader appears to be essential. With the beta program set to begin today, this August release lines up perfectly with Samsung's rollout plans. While India and US branches have officially marked August 11th for beta signups, sources hint that Korean and UK registrations could open on August 13th. Samsung plans to begin One UI 8's public rollout in September, starting with the Galaxy S25 series and expanding to eligible devices. The Galaxy S24 and S23 lines are expected to get the stable update in October. The beta program will be available in 4 countries, so if you're in one of these markets, grab the August OTA update. It's a key step before you can dive into One UI 8's beta experience. While the stable update hasn't started rolling out yet, internal testing is already in progress across several Galaxy smartphones and tablets. According to a list compiled by Gizmo China, the test pool includes a wide range of devices, from recent flagships and foldables to several A-series and M-series models. At the moment, only the Galaxy S25 series has access to the public One UI 8 beta. For all other devices, testing is still being done internally, meaning the beta isn't publicly available yet. With this release, Samsung became the first non-Google brand to bring Android 16 to users, thanks to a faster and more streamlined software rollout strategy. However, the stable update for older Galaxy models is still pending. Although Samsung hasn't shared a specific launch date, it has confirmed that the stable rollout will begin this summer, which likely means it will start later this month. We've gathered all the key details about One UI 8, including a full list of eligible devices and new features. Check out our complete coverage for everything you need to know. And don't forget to visit our One UI 8 section regularly to stay updated on the latest developments.